Over the past 20 years, the number of commercial banks has dropped nearly in half, from approximately 9,000 to a little over 4,800. And in that same time period, net interest margin has been on a steady decline from 4.34% down to 3.17%. But looking beyond the numbers, this is really about fewer community banks that are able to serve their communities. And like it or not, risk is at the core of this, and specifically, credit risk management, or lack thereof. We all know this. Risk is inevitable, like gravity. And gravity doesn't care about opinions, wishes, or good intentions. And risk also evolves. And to stay in the game, a bank's risk management practice, particularly credit risk management, must also evolve, and not simply be confined to a single department or be allowed to devolve into a reactionary exercise. What if instead, enhanced credit risk management was leveraged as a competitive advantage, embedded in the company's culture, and integrated into every business discipline across the entire enterprise? At OnPoint Risk Advisors, this is what we do for banks. It's what we call the art of strategic risk management. So, how do you define your credit risk strategy? Does it incorporate expected loss? Do you know the significance of expected loss? In our credit risk program, expected loss is at the very center of our approach and central to CECL. Think of it like a rope to a mountain climber. Having a thorough understanding of expected loss not only gives you safety, but the freedom to make the climb. And it's around expected loss that we build a holistic approach, an approach integrated into and tailored for your unique business culture and goals. So, imagine a stronger credit risk rating practice, portfolio analytics, credit risk allowance, and credit risk stress testing, all leading to increased transparency, speed, compliance performance, and stronger competitive positioning, giving you safety and freedom. Yes, freedom. To reach the top, to perform over the long term, and to perform in your communities. So go to onpointriskadvisors.com to see how we've helped banks like yours and how we can equip you. We're risk professionals with an average of 30 years of banking experience. Simply put, we're bankers helping bankers.